Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be taking a look at your battle pass, so let's get started. Right here, second tab, we'll say battle pass, and then from here select your first option, battle pass, rewards. Go all the way to the page that you want. However, make sure you have enough battle stars, obviously, that you claimed every other one, so that way you won't run into any problems. So right now I could claim page number 7 and 8 because I have enough battle stars to buy it all. Enough battle stars means I am in a high level. So right now I'm level 63. We are trying to do a 10-day challenge where we hit 100 levels in 10 days. Obviously, we're trying to do that before the 10-day mark. So maybe at number 6, number 7, then we should be at level 100, hopefully. But anyways, let's just get started. Right now, we went past through that page. Let's just claim pages, not just one thing at a time. So for example, we could claim this right here. Then we could claim the spray, then go on to the backling, get some V-Bucks, go on to the pickaxe, glider, and then finally the skin becomes unlocked and we can also claim it. But there's a faster way where you just go to claim pages. So for me, I have to press square on the bottom right hand side of my screen. I can see that. And then I can see everything right here. So again, I'm going to claim this, this, get some V-Bucks, of course the pickaxe, the glider, and the very last thing would be the skin. Anyways, let's just go ahead and claim all rewards. Pressing X. And here we go. We're just going to equipped. Get our V-Bucks. Yep. Next. And our awesome glider. Plus the skin. Here's the skin. Equipped as well. And let's take a look at it. So this page number 7, we're going to page number 8 next. Right here is the skin. We're just going to save it up. So just quickly saved it as a new preset. I'm going to go back to Battle Pass, go right into very first thing, and go back into page 8. So again, this is page 8. We're going to be claiming this awesome loading screen plus this back bling. Let's not forget about the glider and the banner. We're going to get some V-Bucks. Here we go with the Contrail, and finally we unlock this style for the skin. So let's just claim pages, claim everything from here. We are gonna equipped. We're gonna get this as well, get some V-Bucks. We're gonna equip this, and we're just gonna get this skin. So once again, in order to get to this page, I am in level 63. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.